I just want to say one word to you. Just one word.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am.
Plastics.
You've got to ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Leave the gun. Technical only.
You don't understand. I could have had class. I could have been a contender.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
I feel the need for speed.
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Good morning, Vietnam! I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
All right, Mr. DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up.
Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
Love means never having to say you're sorry.
He's looking at you, kid.
I wish I knew how to quit you.
This little piece of gum is a 3-course dinner.
Bull. No, roast beef, but I haven't got it quite right yet.
Hey, Doc, you better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Toga, 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 toga.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Call me Mr. Tibbs.
I'm walking here! I'm walking here!
Gentlemen, you can't fight in here. This is the war room.
They're here.
Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a bumpy night.